Exhibitor 850, your time has started. Seconds. Time. And that was our final horse of the night. Exhibitors, when we do get your placings, your judges' placings, we'll ask you to come forward and line up in front of the respective judge force. Entry number 850, Mr. Fancy Sensation by Zippos Sensation, owned by Megan Goverty, shown by Julie Riechert. Second three, Just a Good Time Team by Mr. Good and Honey, owned and shown by APHA Gelding. Third, 826, Cashing in the Goods by Mr. Good and Honey, owned and shown by Emily Jensen. Fourth, 818, The Other Real Woman by Real Bonanza, owned and shown by Jerry Onside. Fifth, 809, Sweet Talking Goods by Mr. Good and Honey, owned and shown by Lakeland Real. Sixth, 853, She's Zip 2 by Mr. Zipporah, owned by Greg Reisinger, shown by Raymond Parsons. Seventh, 845, Being Fancy Ain't Easy by Fancy BB, owned and shown by Jennifer Noel. Eighth, 851, Money Invitation by Required Invitation, owned and shown by Clark Cole. Ninth, 804, Sinfully Fancy by Mr. Fancy Executive, owned by Daryl and Sandra Winterroad, shown by Sandra. 10th, 866, Awesomely Appointed by Appointment Only, owned by Susan Moore, shown by Monty Newman. 11th, 863, X&O Real Love, owned by James and Ann Louvers, shown by Ann. Now we move to the card of Judge Brown. His first, 850. Second, 823. Third, 826. Fourth, 866. Fifth, 853. Sixth, 818. Seventh, 851. Eighth, 809. Ninth, 804. 10th, 845. 11th, 863. And now, exhibitors, I'll ask you to retire back to the rail for just a moment. We'll get your final overall placings. Entry number 863, XO Real Love by Real Bonanza, owned by James and Ann Luber, shown by Ann. Our 10th place, 851, Money Invitation by Required Invitation, owned and shown by Clark Cole. Ninth, 809, Sweet Talking Goods by Mr. Good and Buddy, owned and shown by Langland Rick. Eighth place, 845, being Fancy King Easy by Fancy Mimi, owned and shown by Jennifer Nolan. Seventh, 804, Sinfully Fancy by Mr. Fancy Executive, owned by Daryl and Sandra Winterow, shown by Sandra. Now, sixth place, our check, $243, goes to entry number 818, The Other Real Woman by Real Bonanza, owned and shown by Terry Bonesack. Our fifth place, $406, will be the check, going to entry number 866, Awesomely Appointed by Point Only, owned by Susan Moores, shown by Monty Rudin. Our fourth place check, $568, going to entry 826, Cashing in the Goods by Mr. Good and Buddy, owned and shown by Emily Jensen. Third place, the check, $771, 853, She Zip 2 by Mr. Zipperod, owned by Greg Reisinger, shown by Ray Parsons. Second place, the check, $974, 823, Just a Good Time Teams by Mr. Good and Buddy, owned and shown by Abigail Grable. Now winning our 2016 Futurity class, taking a check for $1,096, entry number 850, Mr. Fancy Sensation by Zippos Sensation, owned by Megan Fogarty, shown by Julie Burchett. Congratulations. Now once again,